Alright guys, welcome to an episode of This Old Bike. My 2019 Rad Mini is getting old in age and haven't been using it a lot with being in Mexico last winter and so on. Didn't really get to use it much. So I noticed that yesterday when I was started to clean the front disc brakes that the shocks were no longer working on this. I went for a ride and I pushed on it. I cleaned it. There was rust on this, so I cleaned it with some 00 steel wool, thinking that might help, but no, it's still jammed up. So I think we're going to take this apart and see if we can fix it. So the first thing first, we got to turn it upside down, obviously take the tire off. We're going to have to remove the rim off this, basically everything that's attached to the posts here, and yeah, so we'll start by turning it upside down and getting everything off this. Another good thing too is I can fix this. The rivet broke a long time ago, so there is a rivet gun here, so I might be able to finally fix that from being all wonky. But yeah, let's get started and turn this bike upside down and start taking her apart. Alright, so there's the other bracket that I have to repair. It's a little bent. So I can straighten that out. Remove that rivet. And yeah, hopefully I can fix that up. Alright, we just got to remove the brake and then we can get started. Well, this probably isn't the safest place to do it on the grass with possibly losing bolts and stuff, but it is what it is. Anyhow, I got everything all off. We'll be back in one sec. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is remove this whole piece here. Now there are two bolts at the end that you have to remove. I think that's a number 4 metric Allen key, if I'm correct. Yep. Alright, so we are going to remove those, and then hopefully this should just pull right off. With this being so seized up, I'm not sure how easy it's going to be to get this off. I might have to get a hammer. Oh, there we go. Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, all kinds of water in there. I don't know if you can see how dirty it is or not. But yeah, these are a mess. There's all kinds of gravel and rock. All right, I need to get a rag and clean these things up. All right, well I can certainly see why it wasn't moving. These things are encrusted in dirt. I'll probably have to get the steel wool out again. Been cleaning it up with the WD-40, but it's not doing as much as I was hoping it was going to do. Yeah, holy bunch of sand and dirt. I almost forgot about this part. I don't know how important it is, but I'm removing the locking mechanism that either locks the shocks or unlocks them, and then you unbolt it, and then this part comes out as well. Alright, so once you get that cap off, you have to unbolt this. You can loosen this off. Oh, this whole part comes through. Look at all the water in there too. Hands all rusty and soaked. So yeah, we're going to clean up all these parts, clean up the tubes, and I'll be right back. All right, progress has been made. We're all cleaned up. Got a lot of corrosion on everything, but I have white lithium grease that I'm going to put all over everything and lube it up. I got the rivets put back in on this bracket, as you can see. That'll be nice to have that solid again and not moving all over the place. So now we just do everything backwards. So this piece goes in first. Alright, so hopefully this will just slide back on. Excuse you. Oh, there we go. It's working anyway. Alright, so on my bike, there is a, untangle this, there's a little clip here for the brake cable, so I'm going to put that back in. So on mine, it's a 2.5 Allen key. There we go. Alrighty, I'm going to put the brakes back on, or mount them anyway. It just mounts to here. So right now I'm going to leave the brake a little loose so that I can fit it properly around the disc brake. Fender can go back on now. Same thing, I'm just going to loosely put this on for now. Oh, oops, almost forgot about the headlight. This goes on the same bolt as the fender does. Turn this bad boy around. Nice. Love the suspension again. We just have to clean up all that grease and we're good to go. Alright, she's all back together. Everything's all tightened up and works. We got shocks again, people. I wonder how long it's actually been since I haven't had shocks. But yeah, we're working again. So yeah, the reason probably why I didn't know if I had shocks or not because of the suspension seat post. Yeah, we're all good now, we're all fixed. Best it's been in a long time, especially with the front fender fixed. I like it. So yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, consider subscribing, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.